Let me tell you a story. The biggest thing from being here has been not just seeing how Cody tells stories, but learning, he almost gave us a story toolbox, and also seeing how everyone else in the room tells stories and hearing other stories and seeing the impact of stories. One thing that you'll never get, if you just took a storytelling course, is you don't get to be in a room where somebody tells a story for the first time and everybody around reacts, and you don't get to feel that. And that is something that instills you with the confidence to move forward with telling your stories as well.
The more I actually listened to other people, I felt more confident because I felt like, oh, I have a story like that, or I can also see how our clients or how our audience would feel, like this connection, and so it really demonstrated why storytelling is so important in a real practical way.
I hate when people say this, but it's been phenomenal, right? But because not only was I able to learn these different frameworks and so forth on how to use my storytelling, but I also started connecting with other people in here that are storytellers. And as we continue to evolve and become better storytellers, we started getting more connected. And I like the fact the intimacy of this event made it easier for me to share things and get feedback, not only from Cody, but from the other members at the event, which makes it just more real and makes it more impactful that I could take home the different experience I had with the people here.
I feel that I really leave this event with a big toolbox, and this toolbox is gonna serve me over and over again.
Let me tell you a story.
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 Let me tell you a story.